Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad you could stop by. I am so happy to be here today. I was able to finish my projects and get them ready to show to you. So I have a project share to you today. And these two project shares are for the open collabs, Two Crafters, One Design, and Saturday Morning Makes. Now these are open collabs. Anybody can join at any time. Two Crafters, One Design is prompt driven. So they'll give you a prompt each week, and you could go and follow the prompt and make something using your creativity. The hostesses for Two Crafters, One Design are Mo Creations, UCY I'm a Diva, and Girliest Cards. Now, Saturday Morning Makes is an open collab that's been hosted by Jill Norwood here on the YT for a while. Jill just wants you to stay creative, do something during the week when you have time, and then post it as inspiration for everybody else. So follow the two hashtags, Two Crafters, One Design, and also Saturday Morning Makes. So for my Two Crafters, One Design, the prompt this week was to use a gift card, to make a gift card or something with a gift card on it. But you guys know that I am a tag maker. I'm a tag maker. And being a tag maker, things pop into my head in tag form. Sorry for the shaking of the thing there. Pop into my head tag form. So I have this wooden tag, and I decorated it. I got all these picks, and I usually give my tags to friends and stuff like that. So they're gifts that I usually give out. So this one has this beautiful pick. I put this organza ribbon on it. This ribbon that says Merry Christmas. The beautiful pick with the berries. I love those berries. Also, it has a tag on a tag that says Merry Christmas. And then on the back, that's where you give your gift card. This nice plaid gift card holder is on the back. And you slide your gift card in there, and you're all ready to give it to your friend. So, if you're out and about and you're at the store, pick up some of these wonderful picks. Make yourself a beautiful dimensional card. Give it as a tag and give it as a gift. I think this just came out beautiful. Just beautiful. So that's my Two Crafters, One Design. Then I was over at the Dollar Tree a while back, and I think I showed you this in a haul. This is a new thing that Dollar Tree has. It's a metal frame, and it looks like that in the back. So it's a metal frame, and what I wanted to do was dress it up a little bit. So it's going to be part of my Christmas decorations for a while. So I used some of my Tim Holtz ephemera that I got this year, and this is one of those Tim Holtz frames, so you can put your picture down in there. This one doesn't quite fit. It's not quite the way I want it, but it's nice. You can put your picture down in there and have it for every year. You can put your whatever pictures you take that year, put one in there. Also, if you're giving them to a friend, they can put their pictures in there. And you know what else this would be good for? Birthdays. Make somebody a nice birthday frame. Frame a picture of you and your friend. Decorate the outside, seashells, whatever it is that you guys do. Whatever theme you want, decorate it and give it to a friend. And the frame is only $1.25. So, those were my projects this day. So, I did the tag with the gift card holder on the back, and I did the frame. So thank you for joining me. Follow those hashtags. Also, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I'll be doing good things here. At least I think I do good things. At least I like it. And if you love tag making, then press that button and subscribe. Get all your stuff and come make some tags with me. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles. Don't forget to take care of yourself during this holiday season. And also do something that makes you smile. And I'll see you all later. Bye now.